What's going on, guys? Today we are installing the rotors on the blue WRX, and let me show you the box. So this is a big box. It has all rotors for this car right here. Replacing the rotors and the pads. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. I'm gonna do my best to try to explain to you, because usually I just do my install. I'm in my zone, and I don't speak. So let's do this. So we got some cheapo rotors. I didn't want to go extreme like I did on the silver WRX. I mean, this will do for now because those are really bad. Maybe in the future I'm gonna upgrade to something even better. But these cheap rotors from Amazon, I think I remember they're under $200 for all rotors and pads. So I believe these are the back rotors. Yeah, brake fluid. That's nice, guys. I don't even know why I got them drilled in slot. I guess they look cool, but they say they tend to crack right here. It closes the hole into the end. That's where they usually crack. Yeah, I can see these pads already. They're not so good. But let's do the install because the sun is about to cook me right now. So what you want to do first before you jack up the car, lose all these nuts. That way it'll help you. The tire will move. You already know this. All right, guys, let's see how hard they are now, because last time, I don't know if you saw the last video when I was taking these wheels off, last time they were really tight. Check it out. So this is what we're doing. We're removing these 17mm bolts. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on them. And there's one on the top and one on the bottom. Once I do that, I can remove the caliper and then squeeze this piston back. You will see on the video right now, so let's get it done. Ah, yeah. Ah. Okay. Okay, so for the back, it's the same story. It has two bolts, 17mm bolts, top and bottom. We're gonna do the same thing here. Pull it out, clean it, put it back on. It's gonna be the same thing for the other side too, so I'm not gonna record that part. I'll probably record a little bit of this, then I will show you when it's all done. what, guys? I didn't buy these ones. Maybe next time I will replace them. They look okay just for the parking when you pull. They look okay. What I'm gonna do is probably adjust them. As everybody knows, you look under here at the bottom, there's like a little gear type of thing, and you turn it. Let's see. You turn it clockwise to expand this, the inner part of the disc. You turn it. So what you want to do is put it on and keep adjusting until you okay, this is an all-wheel drive. I can't turn it. But I think we're okay. I'm gonna adjust a little bit more. Okay, as you can see, I think I went too much. Yes, I went too much, so let me go back. All right. Okay, that's perfect. That is perfect. Now let's do the same thing with this thing here. Let's take these ones off. Oh, these are not bad at all. These pads are still good, but we're putting the new ones. What, guys? I don't think these are the right pads. This right here is too. You see the difference? You see the difference here? What kind of crap is this? Let me see if they fit. They don't fit. They don't fit, guys. They don't fit. Okay, so you see the difference? This and that is totally different. This is crap from Amazon, believe it. Thank God these ones still have some meat on it that I can use. I can still use these ones for a little bit, but they are different. Totally different shape here. Totally different shape. Unbelievable. Garbage. These are garbage. They were since I hit that click button. So let's tell you what, let's put this back on. I can't believe this crap, guys. Guys and girls and animals, do not buy. Oh my God. I guess this brand, they don't know what they're doing. They sent me the wrong pads. So this is what they look like. Cheapo. Or cheap, but They will work for now. Don't forget, when you are done, to make sure the oil is good. Right now it's all the way to the top. I think I'm gonna have to step on the brakes so it'll go down a little bit, because I pushed the pistons, so gotta put that back. So I pushed the pistons and they push some of the oil up into the reservoir. This is how you squeeze that piston back. You see how the other one is almost flush with this? It needs to be all the way back. So you keep turning. Okay, that seems good. That seems about right there. Now let's do the other one. All right, guys, this was supposed to be a nice, quick, and easy install. Everything smooth. But what happens when you buy cheap parts for your car? I will show you right now. So as you know, the first pads on the back did not fit. They were not for this car. Now these pads in the front, for some reason the one on the other side fit perfectly, but this one, for some reason, like this end right here is longer. I already spent 30 minutes trying to put this pad onto this side right here, and it will not go in there. It's hidden right here on the bottom, hard, and on the top, so it's like kind of long. So I'm gonna do my tricks. I'm gonna have to grind this end a little bit on both sides and see if it fits. See what you gotta do. You gotta grind this right here and this right here. Cheap ass pads. I have to grind this little section here in order for that pad to fit properly. This is ridiculous, but it's in. Let's get this done. All right, guys, I got it. Now let me do the last one in the back and we'll be done with this install. Okay, the back one is done. Let's put this wheel back on and let's put the car on the ground. All right, guys, I am done with the install on these brakes. Overall, they're not bad. The only bad thing about it was the pads. They did not match the ones on the rear. The ones in the front, I had to do a little modification on one. So it's not a big deal because I'm gonna upgrade to a full ceramic for less noise and less dust in the future. But for now, that will do. Let's go for a little test drive and then I'll tell you how they perform. The brakes work really good. No noise, nothing. Alrighty, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope these brakes work great for a while. I still gotta buy some better pads in the future, but for now I just test drove the car and it stops well. Everything's working fine, no noises. We'll see how it is with the dust, but stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.